Where are we going anyway?
Why aren't your hands on the wheel?
Because I'm putting on my fucking sunglasses.
Guy, turn on the radio.
What station?
This is Chuck Foster from Z107.3.
This is one of my favorite movies.
Man, I gotta pull over. Okay, let's go. I need some fucking heroin, man.
On. Wherever you are, poor Jack has to drown at the end. No!
This song.
Oh, baby.
Oh man. You're okay, man. Man.